My name's Nick Goebel, and I'm the current PRSSA National President. For the past couple of decades, we've hosted two events in the spring. National Assembly, where we vote on bylaws and the new national committee that shape our society, and Leadership Rally, where we focus on empowering our chapter leaders and bringing them together and networking with each other. Well, these two events have been fabulous. We've kept our ear to the ground, and we want to know more about our students and what you guys care about. We understand that it's hard to fundraise for two big events in one semester. And not only that, but from our surveys, we know that a majority of you want to spend more time at one event rather than going to two separate ones. So we've come up with our solution, and it's called Leadership Assembly. At Leadership Assembly, we'll still be voting on our bylaws that shape our society and the National Committee who lead us. But we will also be focusing in and bringing in that rally aspect, honing in on our chapter leaders. You get to send 2 chapter leaders to this event, and we'll cover registration and hotel for their entire stay. With that being said, we also want to make sure that we're focusing on engagement and making sure to strengthen our leaders. We're going to give you leadership tools, networking opportunities, and advice from professionals. Real speakers who are dynamic and engaging for you. So come with us to Scottsdale, where we've spent the past 30 years for Leadership Rally. We're going to keep the tradition going. It's coming April 16th through the 19th of 2020. See you at the pool.